Hello, welcome back to Like.Mother.Like.Daughter. I'm Claire. It's nice to see you guys again. I'm back doing the Spiritual Guru box unboxing, and this is a lifestyle box. It ships out the last week of the month, and it's $49.95 a box. They all do have a value of over $100. So, I mean, honestly, you're getting at least double your money every time. I've never had a box that I've been disappointed with. They do give this to us for free to review, but I love this a lot anyway. This is my favorite box by far, especially because it is similar stuff every single time, but it is very different and unique in its own way. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, and there's a little card, and they always send one of these cards, and it has 9 different stones on it, and it tells you the properties of them, and it explains the difference between them, and also gives a picture. So that's always really nice. And there's another one of these cards, and this is Balance, Spirituality, and Practicality. Full Moon in Pisces. That's really cool. I love koi. And then this is also what says what's in here and the dollar value of everything. Sorry. So you open it up and it looks like this. And there are 2 velvet bags. So normally they give you some kind of jewelry, some stone, something like that. I'm going to open up the smaller bag first because this is the stone, I think. I can feel it. So, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Mom, this is gorgeous. Okay, so this is an Opalite sphere. I love it so much. You can you can't tell, but it's kind of see-through, but not. This says, it assists in the transition by helping eliminate fears and worries. It's good for those who have trouble sleeping or going through a major change or shift or under stress. Well, that's amazing because I am definitely having trouble sleeping. I'm very much under stress and I'm always changing and shifting. So I'm going to open up the next black bag first, and I could hear it. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay. So I actually have a pair of these already. And yeah, they're the same. These are, the ones I have are from, Mom, are the ones that I have from Nepal? I don't know. Okay, so I actually have some of these already. These are my favorite thing ever. They're really, really good for sound healing, really good for meditation. The ones that I have are a little bit higher than this. Oh, but these are so sweet. What these are, sorry, these are Tingsha bells, or prayer chimes. So these are from Tibet, and they have ohms on top of them. These are really nice. They have a small leather cord. So whenever I use them, I do use sound healing a lot. I'm gonna be honest, I prefer sound healing over crystals, but I love those. I'm glad I have another pair. Okay, next thing. There's another little black bag, and I don't know what's in here. Oh. This is precious. Okay, so this is an Opalite necklace. Same thing with the stone, except different shapes can have the stones throw their energy in a different way. So this is obviously you would wear it, keep it closer to you. It's a high energy stone, known for bringing balance and harmony. Really, this, you can really see the swirls of the Opalite in there. Dang, okay. I need to stop staring at this or I'm never gonna stop. Okay, so, next thing that's in here, I'm gonna go for this. This is, I don't know what this is. What are these? What? Is this a bath bomb? Gemstone bath bomb! What? Your bath bomb contains a real amethyst gemstone inside. I know, I can see it. Drop the bath bomb into the water and allow it to melt. Once it melts, allow the gemstone to sink to the bottom of the tub and relax, allowing the vibration of your amethyst crystal into space. Once done, remove your crystal and enjoy. No, I'm gonna go take a bath in 5 minutes. Next thing. The candle. I always love their candles. This one is a Guru Zen candle. It says it has a special oil of, sorry, I just looked at it. Dragon's blood. Used while meditating, visualizing, or to clear any space of unwanted energies. Okay, so real talk, real quick. I can see some bismuth in here, and the past 2 candles that I've gotten, the first one was a meditation candle that had floral tones to it. The second one was a frankincense one, so it was a little bit heavier and it had some sandalwood. But they both had the same stuff in it. It looked they both had quartz shards and pyrite. But this one, I opened it up and it smells amazing. It kind of smells I know this sounds really weird, but it really sounds like those little Valentine hearts. Those little candy hearts. Smells good. But you can see that there's the pyrite in there, but there's also, like, bismuth. That looks like bismuth to me, and, like, I do know what bismuth looks like. Oh, no, that's just pyrite. It's just oddly colored exposed pyrite. That's interesting. Okay. It's a huge chunk of fool's gold, you can tell on the other side. But that's what it looks like. Okay, I'm putting it back in the can. Last but not least, there is a Just Breathe spray. So it's a travel size essential oil spray. It says it has witch hazel and essential oils, glycerin. Dang. What kind of essential oils though? Ooh. There's definitely eucalyptus in there. Not gonna lie, it smells like an old church. Like, and your grandma just gave you a peppermint to get you to shut up. That's what it smells like. That's interesting. Awesome. Just to sum up, usually there is a theme. So this is balance, spirituality, and practicality. With that, we've got the spray, the essential oils travel spray, the Just Breathe, it's minty. We've got an Opalite Shpere, which is amazing. I'm in love with this box. Each box honestly just keeps getting better and better. We've got the Opalite necklace as well, the Tibetan singing chimes, the candle, and we have this lovely bath bomb. So just so you guys can like compare them a little bit, the previous video will be linked somewhere down below or up here, wherever. I just set myself on this. Alright, so I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Just please remember, all the links are in the description below. My mom is a wonderful person, and if you want to see more of her face and sometimes mine, you can subscribe down there and also hit the like button. And she does a lot of giveaways. And, like, I don't wear makeup anymore, but my mom has a lot of it. Alright, I love you guys. I love Spiritual Guru. That was my phone. Have a good bye. Have a good bye. Have a good night. Hi!